Hello guys, in this video we will learn numbers from 1 to 10 in English and Spanish. Here we have all the flashcards in English. We will start with our first flashcard that has number 1 on it. Let's find number 1. Here number 1 in Spanish we call number 1 as uno. Let's do our next card that has number 2 on it. Here's number 2. In Spanish we call number 2 as dos. Our next flashcard has number 3 on it. In Spanish, we call number 3 as tres. Next card has 4 on it. In Spanish, we call number 4 as cuatro. Next card has number 5 on it. In Spanish, we call number 5 as cinco. Next, we have number 6. So, in Spanish, we call number 6 as seis. Next flashcard has number 7 on it. In Spanish, we call number 7 as siete. Next flashcard has number 8 on it, and in Spanish we call number 8 as ocho. Next flashcard has number 9. In Spanish we call number 9 as nueve. Last flashcard has number 10 on it, and in Spanish we call it diez. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Bye.